leg, that little dangling leg. Stop making that clicking noise back there. Is that you, Noah? You were one, but there was one back there really making a clicking noise. Gonna drive me crazy. Okay, are we ready to okay. Okay. Are we live?
We are live.
Yes.
Davis, you were here this morning. You should have turned your homework in before you left. Yes? Yes. You knew the homework assignment. You knew it was due today. Yes?
It's gonna be funny if this is really no sound at all. It is supposed to be backwards, like it's like a reflection of you.
It's not, no, it is me. It's not a mirror. You're thinking like when you look in the mirror, you know,
No, yeah, that's
right,
right.
about like
You're
raising your
pointing
hand.
this way.
Yeah, wait, point that way.
What?
Point that way.
Yeah, you're pointing this way.
Yeah, on the screen you're pointing that way.
That's the confusing thing, right? It's not a mirror. Okay?
Okay, it is registering sound at least. So hopefully they sound.
May we continue with the lesson, or do we want to continue to play pointing games with the camera? It's your call.
You want to tell Davis something else?
Davis, all of your homework is due when you get back. Yes? Somebody else want to send Davis to say something?
No. I'm good.
Noah, come on.
I'm good.
Will, come on.
Noah should get up and say, "Man."
No.
Don't do it.
No, like, I'm focused on math right now.
All right. So we're dealing with what kind of triangles?
Not right.
Not right triangles. What do we call those? No, it's not. Angle side to side is ambiguous, but in general, it's where you don't have a 90-degree angle, and they're not all ambiguous, right? The angle side to side is. We call these oblique. Ooh. What could it be? Oblique. Okay, they're oblique. So in general, it would be something like this, right? Okay, and remember we have A, we have B, and we have C, and then you can call this A, and you can call this B, and you can call this C. Now what do we know? We know that the area from geometry is what?
Base times height divided by 2.
Yeah, 1/2 base times height, and then this would be the height. Okay, so what is there a way that we could figure out what h was?
If you knew
Well, yeah, it's what?
sine of
Sine. No, it's B on the sine of A.
B sine of A. So h is B sine of A. So the area of an oblique triangle, if you don't want to go in and mess with it, what's the easiest way to do it? It's 1/2. What is the base?
B,
C. That's little c times what?
little b, sine A.
B sine of A. 1/2 B C sine of A. Okay, does that make sense? Do you see where that came from? Okay, but you could also do it from here, or you could do it from here and draw it there. So what you can see is you'll get the same answer, but there are 3 different ways just depending on where you did the calculation. Every one of them will give you the same thing. It is area is equal to 1/2 AC sine of B. So what do you notice the trend is? If I have side A and side C, what angle do I use?
B.
Okay, so the area would also be what? What would be another way, Will?
A, B, sine of C.
Yes. Chase, what would be the other one?
We have C. We can,
C what? We need CA.
OB,
CB,
sine of A.
sine of A. So use whichever one you want. I mean, I would kind of pick the one where you have the angles, and then that makes it pretty easy. Now, let's say you don't have all the things you need. Well, how would you get something that you needed if you didn't have it? Law of sines, right? Like if you were given something, like if you were given two angles and a side or something like that, just use the law of sine and figure out what you don't have. All right, so let's look at an example. Let's find the area of a triangle having two sides of length 90 and 52. So I have length 90 and I have length 52. So let's just call this C. So if this is C, let's see, this is A, so this would be A. This is C, so this would be C. And this would then have to be B. And this would have to be little b. Okay. So let's see, do I have anything else? And an included angle of 102. What is the included angle?
B.
B. 102. So do I have everything I need to do this? I believe I do because I have this, this, and this. Okay. So what could I say? The area is equal to 1/2. Which one would I use? AC sine of what? B, which is equal to 1/2 90 times 52. Everybody get their calculators. Sine of what?
About 2,288.
Boom. 2,200. I got 2,289. Did you round the same way as I did? Or
Yes.
what did you get?
What you got?
Okay, what did you get?
2,280.
2288 what?
0.86.
Would round to 9. Yes?
So
Okay.
if I
Give me a
left
complete
mine-
sentence,
If
man.
I left mine in two decimal places, is that fine? Like if I put 0.86 instead of 0.9, just because I normally leave it.
Oh, it's 2289, right? 2288 something, right? Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
Nope. That's it.
This is chapter 6, section 1. Are we still in section 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Then our homework is 39 through 46. The bonus is 52.
Do you have any last words for Davis?
Don't ever leave town again without turning your homework in. Yes? Yes.
Done.
That's a wrap.